And listen for your number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Answer.
So Chazé with a 49-1 first lap. Don't know what happened to Jeremy. So Chazé must have popped a ball cup or crashed a couple times on that first lap. But it is Chris Van Aer, our leader. Brian Halverson second. And our sole mod truck is Justin Liu. He's running in the third spot. Remember, he will not count for points in this class, but I had to put him somewhere. He's going to take advantage of getting maximum points with Jake McGarvey and McDuffie not being here. Or, not McDuffie, he's here. Jake McGarvey and Bisbee, and it's not Jake McGarvey either. Let's try this again. Bisbee and, what's that guy's name? Josh Mitchell. Mitchell and Bisbee, both co-points leaders in Mod Truck, not here, so Justin Liu will gladly take that 101 points from that first place award. Anybody have any extra AA's they want to sell? Looks like we got a racer looking for AA batteries for his remote for the next race. Charge him double. 2:15 down, 2:45 remaining. Chris Van Aer, same two battling, Van Aer and Gilbert. Van Aer with 0.6 of a second on Gilbert. Lyle Spangler moving up to the third spot. Brian Halverson running fourth. Art Crescitelli in fifth. Jake McGarvey sixth. Justin Liu in the mod running in seventh. Rodney Angelito eighth. Jeremy Chazé ninth with the long first lap. And Jerome Kenton 10th off to see what happened to Jeremy if he had a problem. It looks like it's exactly a double lap, so Jeremy might have got missed, so we'll make sure we figure it out. Jeremy is an honest guy. He'll let me know. All right, 3:30 down, 1:30 to go. Van Aer continues to lead, now stretching out his lead by 2.8 seconds over Gilbert. Spangler only 0.8 of a second behind Gilbert for second. So Spangler bringing the heat in that yellow and blue Losi XXX TCR truck. So Van Aer in the T4.1. Gilbert, I believe, also in a T4.1. And 1 minute, the highest running Losi, Lyle Spangler with Halverson in fourth and Jake McGarvey fifth. Crescitelli sixth, Justin Liu seventh, Angelito eighth, Chazé ninth, and Kenson 10th. 45 seconds.
Okay.
30 seconds remaining in this one, drivers. 30 seconds. Van Aer, Gilbert, and Spangler. Halverson now starting to catch up. Halverson within a half a second of the top three. And Gilbert now within 2 seconds of Van Aer for that lead. So the leader is the number 8. Let's find Chris over the backside tabletop. White, yellow, blue, a little bit of blue down the step down. Coming into the switchbacks right here, number 8. Right there down the front side, that's your race leader.